Hey folks, welcome back to Simple Man's Barbecue. I'm Jason. Today I'm going to be making a man-sized sandwich for the football games coming up because football is about to start. So let's make some football food, baby. What I got today, I got some orange pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, and some onions. What I'm going to do, of course I'm going to cook these up. Put a good slab of butter in here. I got this on about medium high. Man, don't you love that smell of melted butter? Now I'm going to just put all this in here and cook all this up. And if I haven't told you yet, we're using bratwurst. We're going to use bratwurst and we're going to make some badass man sandwiches for football. Alright folks, so you know the deal here. I'm just going to cook these down till the onions are nice and translucent. Cook the bitterness out of them. And then when that's all done, then we're going to go ahead and get our sandwich started. Okay folks? Alright folks, now what I'm going to do while that's cooking is I'm going to hollow out this French bread a little bit. Pull out some of the guts. So we can have a nice little bedding for our meat and for our veggies. Almost like a little canoe, you know what I mean? There we go. And I'm going to do the same thing with this half too. And then we're just going to set all the veggies and the meat right here. And then we're going to put the sandwich on top. And we're going to have a delicious man sandwich for our football games. Okay, folks?
You hollowed out the top.
Well, that's all right. I'll hollow out the top. All right, folks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some butter. Some melted butter and just brush it along this bread real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven and toast it for a few minutes in the oven. Excuse me.
Speaking my language.
Yeah, that's the simple man's language. I just make up my own words. You know what I mean? All right, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the oven at 450 degrees. I'll probably give about 10 minutes to let them get nice and toasted. All right, folks, let's go ahead and make our sandwich now. So what I'm going to do is I got some leftover bratwurst. I'm going to put some of this bratwurst in here that I chopped up or sliced up. Put it in our little canal. See how it sits in there all nice and pretty? Then we're going to take our veggies, our peppers and onions. We're just going to top this bad boy off. Just like that. Yeah, it's going to be messy. I don't care. It's football season. Who cares, man? Let's make a mess. And I'm just going to put the top on it.
The bottom.
Well, it's actually the bottom, but now it's the top because I made the whole... And it's a long story, folks.
OCD drove me crazy.
Yes, but... Here is our sandwich. Is she beautiful? No, she's not beautiful. She's actually quite ugly. But will she taste good? She'll be the most delicious thing you've eaten this football season, man. I promise you.
Did you want to try some of that stub spicy?
Stub spicy? Oh, no, not on this. Not on this. I don't think that would go good with this. But let's take a bite, folks, to see how we did. All right, folks. Let's see how our man sandwich turned out. This is going to be nice and hot, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to burn the living hell out of myself. But here we go, folks. Can you see me? Up here.
Yeah. I know.
Hold on.
No.
That was mostly bread right there.
No.
Sorry, folks. That was mostly bread right there. Just ignore that bite.
No.
My bread's good as hell, though. All right. Oh. Losing some meat here. All right. Here we go. Here's a nice meaty bite right here. Folks. That is bomb.com, folks. If you haven't given that a try yet, give it a try. I know we've all eaten bratwurst, but chop that bad boy up. Make yourself a little canoe in your bread. Put some of that sauteed up peppers and onions in there. aces, man. That is football food to the core. Well, I'm gonna be making a lot of that this football season. Whew. Hot as hell in here, folks. Listen, man. Appreciate you all watching this video today. God bless you all. Thank you to all my subscribers who always come back to watch my videos. I love you, man. Thank you so much. If you're new here and you haven't liked or subscribed, please go ahead and do that for me, man. I can use all the likes and subscribes I can get, man. Once again, I love you all. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments you want to leave, don't be shy. Just hit me up below. And I love you all. God bless. Keep it simple, baby.